Hello and welcome. Today I'll be talking about getting started with Biscuit. Yes, it's very simple. You can just open your browser like I've actually done here. Go to www.biscuit.com.ng and as you can see, you can click on register. Yes, or you can go to click on get started. Yes, exactly, and that's what me I'm going to do today. So I'll just click on this get started, and then it will show me a form to fill. Yes, where I will supply my company details. Yes. Supply your company name, your company email address, and this is very important because a confirmation email address will be forwarded to this. A confirmation mail will be forwarded to this email address where it will ask you to confirm to show that it is actually you, and then you supply your valid phone number. You can change your country if you want. You can select Algeria from. If you're from Algeria, you can select Afghanistan. If you're from Afghanistan, and then and this is where it's getting interesting. You can customize your domain, and this is where you supply your domain name. Yes, like I said uh, the last discussion. So, for example, now I can say, okay, I'm Lakeside. As you can see, it's telling me, okay, now your URL is lakeside.biscuit.com.ng. So I can just copy this URL and go to my browser and open it to take me to the page where it will ask me to log in. And it's very cool because like this it is showing to me as if I'm the only person using the platform. Yes. And don't forget, this only require people that subscribe to the premium. Yes. Yeah. But it still require you have to fill it in case you later upgrade your subscription to premium so you have access to it. And you can change it later if you don't want. You can change your domain URL. But it has to be unique because if someone is already using this name, so you'll be able to use it. Very cool. You put in your password, yes. And then you select your subscription type, which one you will go for, trial, biscuit, light, standard or premium, and subscription mode. Are you going annually or monthly? Yes. And then when you're done, create account. Yes. And oh, after you click on this button, it will take you to a place where you make payment. Yes. Yes. Once you are done with the payment, it will forward a confirmation mail to the email you supplied here, and then it will ask you to confirm. When you are done, then you can just go to the URL again, www.biscuit.com.ng. But in case if you have a URL, you can just go to URL and then you can click on sign in or you can log in. And that's all. If you actually want to do it from here, you can just click on login and then like this one, and then you to ask you to supply username and password. Yes. And as you can see, we are online 24/7. You can contact us anytime. So as you can see, welcome to our site. If you need any help, simply reply this message. We are online and ready to help you. Yes, you can just come here, give your name, email address, and phone number, and then start chat. Yes. So thank you, and I will see you next time.